So today we are going to be evaluating algebraic expressions. So let's talk about what those words mean. Remember, evaluating really just means solve. Algebraic means there's numbers, operations, and variables. And an expression is a number sentence without an equal sign. So really what that means is I'm going to have an algebraic expression like this one, okay, where I have a number, an operation, and a variable. In order to solve, what's going to happen is they're going to tell me what the m is representing. So if they tell me that m is equal to 3, then really that just means that instead of the m, I now have a 3. So what's 21 plus 3? 24. That is evaluating an algebraic expression. That's really all it is. They're going to give you a value that you're going to put in place of that variable, and then you're just going to solve it. Okay. Now, a lot of times this happens in a table. Okay. So for instance, I might have a table like this where my variable is x. Okay, I'm just going to do random numbers, 2, 4, 6. Okay, and then they tell me that my algebraic expression is, let's say, x plus 2. Well, all that means is I need to place this 2 in place of the x. Well, what's 2 plus 2? What's 4 plus 2? What's 6 plus 2? And there you are, you have evaluated an algebraic expression. So it's pretty simple. It's really just placing in a number that they give you in place of the variable. So here we have a algebraic expression table. So my variable now is n, and my algebraic expression is 23 plus n. All we're doing is taking each number and putting it in place of the n. So what's 23 plus 3? Well, that's 26. 23 plus 5, 28. 23 plus 7 is 30. And there you have an algebraic expression that's been evaluated. So same thing for this problem now. This time the variable is c, and the algebraic expression is c plus 8. We're just taking the numbers and replacing c with the numbers. So 4 plus 8 is 12. 9 plus 8 is 17. 13 plus 8 is 21. And there you have that answer. So for this problem, the variable is d. The algebraic expression is d plus 30. So we're plugging in the number where the variable is. So 3 plus 30, 33. 7 plus 30, 37. 12 plus 30, 42. And there's that answer. So for this problem, the number is 5. Excuse me, that shouldn't be a number, should it? That should actually be g. Okay, so the variable is g. and the algebraic expression is 5g. Remember, that's the same thing as 5 times g, right? Because the number is right next to the variable, so it means multiply. So we're just plugging in the numbers for g. So 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 15, I don't know off the top of my head, so I'm going to do that to the side. I know 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So that's 75. All right, last problem on this video. So this time m is our variable, and our algebraic expression is m divided by 10. So I need to replace m with this number. Well, I know from our work last week with doing division, okay? Remember when we talked about the zeros on each side, being able to get rid of them and match them up? Okay, match them up and get rid of them, I should say. 35 divided by 1 is 35. Okay, same thing here. 240 divided by 10. If I match up the zeros and get rid of them, 24 divided by 1 is 24. If I do the same thing with 120 divided by 10, match up the zeros and get rid of them, 12 divided by 1 is 12. And there you have evaluating algebraic expression.